Here's Abigail. I can't see her. Here's Dean. She's snoring. Just like your mummy. I love my Uncle Dean.